In a few hours, we'll know how much more it's going to cost to borrow money for college. The U.S. Treasury will meet to take action that will increase the interest rate on college loans. Jerry Carnes explains how much more students might pay.
She wouldn't be on Georgia State's campus without them. Sophomore Madison Keys knows one day she'll have to pay back the loans she needed to afford college, as well as the money she still has to borrow to finish school.
I think it's only about $5,000 so far. Of course, it's going to be more by the time I graduate, but I'm just trying not to think about it.
Her next round of loans will be more expensive. The interest rate on federal student loans is going up. The rate is fixed and changes once a year. Mark Kantrowitz is an expert in student financial aid who has calculated how much of an increase families are likely to see.
It seems very likely that the new interest rates will be at least a full percentage point higher, maybe 1.5 percentage points higher, probably close to $1,000. So, and that's per $10,000 borrowed.
Although the decision on how much to raise the interest rate will be made this week, it won't take effect until July 1st. Students can't borrow money for next year until then. Kantrowitz says in this era of high inflation, the price hike might seem discouraging, but there is a silver lining.
The interest rates are still going to be low compared to interest rates at one point on student loans were as high as 6.8%.
According to the National Center for Education Statistics, the cost of going to a four-year public university has increased about 13% over the past decade. Madison Keys has scholarships and the loans she'll have to pay back.
But hopefully I'll get a job that pays well enough to pay it back relatively quickly.
First, there's the college degree that's costing her more and more each year.
Federal loans aren't always enough, and the interest rates on private loans are increasing as well. The Biden administration has suspended payments on current student loans, but that is expected to expire in September.